What is very apparent at the moment is how volatile energy costs are. So the solution for me was to find the products that I needed to be able to put myself in that position of knowing that my costs are going to be the best they can.
We're going to put a new metal surge protected consumer unit the other side of this wall, and that'll remedy those problems then. We're going to actually run a cable that side of the house to the battery storage. We're going that side of the house to the EV charge point. I think this is going to be a fantastic system for Mags.
When I retire and I won't be doing so many miles, an electric car will suit me perfectly.
We can utilise the space we've got, and we can make the system fit the space rather than try to make the space fit the system. Brilliant bit of kit from that perspective. The weather has thrown everything at us that it possibly can, but I'm really proud of what we've achieved.
It just makes me feel really secure, and I know that my energy bills are going to be the lowest they possibly can be.